Welcome to Ridge Life. I'm Tim, and today on Ramblings, the snow has hit us. We are right in the middle of this. We have got a lot of snow, and I have some huge concerns up here on the ridge. Not exactly sure how much snow we have. You can see it is clear. Nothing's been walking out. Let's go over here to the SRT and see if we can see what is the depth here. All right, so let's put it right on there. All right, we got about, that says 6 inches, okay? Let's come over here to the ground and see what we've got out here. Yep, it's about 6 inches. So we've got about 6 inches of snow so far. And we can probably see that up here on the Rabbies. What's up, Elvis? Let me get this. Oh yeah, now it's a little over 6 inches. You didn't get to see that, did you? Here we go. Yeah. So, of course, that's over the overhang there. Let's see, Elvis, you doing good? Yep, gonna have to get you some more water, aren't I, Elvis? What's up there, big guy? It's so bright out here. Can we see you, Elvis? You're dirty. We need to get you clean. Your ladies up in there. Of course, the Rabbies are all in there. What's up here, guys? Hey. All right, so my big concern today is all my canopies and the tarps. Now, we've got about 6 inches of snow right now, and we have 5 more hours of snow coming. You know, it hit central Arkansas yesterday. Well, it didn't hit us till about 1 or 2 o'clock this morning, and we have got snow all day long. Well, what I need to do is go over here and get me some gloves. I ain't got no gloves. And then we're gonna see if we can save the day. Oh my gosh, guys, just beautiful. It is a winter wonderland. Can you hear the snow? Can you hear the snow? Look at Grandma Carol's log cabin. Is that a picture postcard or what? That is beautiful. Just gorgeous. Amazing. We'll get out there in just a second. I got places to take you today. This is going to be an amazing adventure. But I need my gloves, and I left my gloves out to get snowed on. Not too bad. All right, let me get my, this is a rambling, so it's uncut, unedited, raw, and in your face. But look at this. Woo! Just gorgeous out here. The sound of the snow crunching. All right, here's old Blue. Canopy looks like it's in pretty good shape. I gotta get this snow upper. Luckily, it's under this tree, and it's semi-protective. Oh, oh my gosh, it's sagging down. Look at that. Can you see how it's sagging down? I gotta get all this off there. Let me set you up. Let's see if I set you up right here. Should be good. Set you up right here. There we are. I gotta get my gloves on here. Again, I know it's really bright. Bright. Oh, deer. Oh my gosh. Ah, you can't see it. Oh, there was a deer right there. I mean, it was just 25 yards from me in the woods. It just crossed the field by the bees. That was amazing. Oh my gosh, guys. That was so cool. All right. So, I gotta see if I can save this canopy here. Let's get this off first. Ooh, there it goes. Woo. All right, come over here. If I can do it without knocking her. Come off there. Whew. This is really sagging right here. Whew. Oh, this one, oh my gosh, it's heavy. Wow. Because 5 more hours of snow and my tractor would be under it. I know that. This is right here. All right. Whew. That was pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. Make sure my mic's not covered up there. Whew. The deer. Okay, now that I can turn you around. See this little patch of woods right here? The deer was right there, and it stopped and looked at me, and it crossed and went through that field over there. That was some pretty cool stuff. Oh my goodness. I hear you, Elvis. I'm gonna get you some food and water here in just a little bit. I gotta go see if I can save these. We have got work to do here on the ridge. Oh man, I wanna see if I can get my drone up. It's just too thick right now to get anything out here. But if the snow stops before the sunset, maybe I can get the drone up just to show you what it looks like. We may see some more deer while we're out here. I'm gonna take you around. Let's see if we can tell if the bees are alive. They're just right around the corner here. And if we can hear them, that would be amazing. Oh, look at all the deer tracks. Yep. Yeah, that deer we just saw, see there's Grandma Carol's, that deer was right there. And right there's the deer tracks where he, oh, there must have been more. Look at there's 1, 2, 3, that's a rabbit there. That's not a deer there. That's a rabbit. There's my little creek right here. Oh, look at those pine trees right there, guys. Aren't those pine trees gorgeous? Right here's where the ridge barn's gonna be. Horses in the front, cattle in the back. Yeah, look at these more tracks right here. So easy to see how much live wildlife activity we have when you get your first snow. This is really the first snow of the year. Well, 2025. It's actually the first snow of the season because we haven't had any this year. It's actually been pretty mild winter. I hear you, Elvis, all the way over here. I'm coming back, I promise. I'm coming back. There's a tree that fell down a while back. I haven't got out here with a chainsaw, cut it up yet, and make sure I don't trip. Look how deep it is here. Let me check the depth of this real quick while I'm over here. See what it says it is. Oh my gosh. Just under 7 inches right there. Just under 7 inches with 5 more hours of snow coming. Look at the cedars over there. Those cedars are beautiful. Then you have areas like this where the green pokes through. Don't know if you can hear the sound. And if you've never smelled a fresh snowfall, you can smell it. You can honestly smell it. The sound is amazing. Now, right here, Grandma Carol's is right there. The ridge property's up there. Again, the barn's gonna be over there. This low area right here, where this big tree pile is where my pond's gonna be. You can see it has a creek that runs naturally right down the center of it. That would keep it full on its own. I am gonna get out later today and get on the side-by-side or four-wheeler, don't know yet, and check trail camera cards. I'm gonna pull those and get way deep in the woods and see what we can see. I'll have that video on RidgeLife, okay? So definitely don't miss that. Let's get over here. Oh, here's the bees. Oh, here's the deer. I told you the deer crossed right by the bees. There's the track. So we were right there's the canopy, right there. And we were right here and that deer crossed right here. Crossed right there. It's probably still in those woods right there, bedded down. Yeah, so here's what I gotta do with these bees. I gotta clean off this front for them. There we go. Snow on top helps insulate them, but you can see all that stuff down there. That's the bees moving around inside. Let's see if I hit it. You can hear them. Oh, I hear them a little bit. So there's still some bees in that one. Let's come over here. Hoping my battery lasts I didn't hear you in that one. I'm gonna turn you upside down. Tell me if you can see bees under there. Don't know if you saw bees or not. The horizon leveling probably jacked it all up. I'm gonna do the same thing there. So most of the bees are probably in the top, and there was none down there, but if you saw a bunch of dead bees piled up on the bottom there, it's not a good sign. I can't see them. I only see it when I look this in replay myself. So, all right, let's get back, see if we can save our stuff. Let's walk over here by these cedars. Tree stand over there. Again, I'll take you in the woods later on RidgeLife. Oh. Postcard right there. Look at that. Look at that. Amazing. Probably need to, I'm gonna clean the lens off, but it looks like it's pretty clear. All right. Whew. So pretty. So the tractor canopy was on the verge of collapse. My big concern is up here in the woods, or not the one in the woods. The one in the woods is probably is going to be pretty good. Is the one on the ridge itself, the big white one with all my solar panels in it. Again, right here is where the pond's going to be. Barn over there, bees, and this is that little natural creek. You can see right there, it's running slightly. All right. Sorry about breathing heavy. It's hard walking around this snow, especially when you're an old retired guy like me. Is it Thursday? Is it Friday? What day is it? Oh, look at that big bird right there. Wow. Big black vultures. Must be something dead up in the woods up here. I don't see any deer tracks right here. Normally there's tons of them right up through here. Oh, another black vulture. They're coming out of the tree there. There might be something dead. Here's another one right over us. When you're out here and you hear trees crack and fall, that's a pretty ominous sound too. Wow. All right, the canopy in the center of the road looks like it's good. I'm actually breaking a sweat here, guys. Right here's the ridge driveway. You can't really see it. I'm gonna have to get inside here and knock all this down. I'll set you up over here so you can see me. Let's see here, where's a good spot to set you up? I might do it right here. Set you up right here. Now don't y'all leave me now, okay? I promise you I'll be right back. Just want to get set up, and once I get set up, I'll come back for you. I just want to get this off, and I'm really anxious to see what's up there on the ridge. There we go. And make sure you can see good there. There we go. It should be good. All right, let me get all this knocked off real quick, and I'll be right back. Whew. Oh wow. Yeah, it's all still together. Probably shouldn't have worn so many coats. Go. All right, there's one. Two, so I can get down here. All right, let me get this other side real quick. I'll come back out for you. All right, that's good. Ta-da! I'm back. All good here. I'm glad the camera stayed hung up on that perch. All right, let's go on an adventure. We are on an adventure on the ridge. What will we find? Will there be more deer running around? Look how thick, even in the woods here, look how thick that was up there. I think about 7 inches, you know, or, you know, I'm a guy. That was more like 10 inches, don't you think? I think it was 10. All right. Whew. There's my Sanford and Son lot right here. Looks just like Sanford and Son. Okay, let's come up around the corner here. Oh, look at these pines leaning over from the heaviness. Wow. Check this out. Oh, there it goes. Yes, that was cool. That was cool. How it jumped up like that. I knew that's how much weight is on these things. Okay, tracks right here. Deer across there. Deer across there. Deer across there. I got a trail camera right up here. So we have another deer right there. Lots of deer on the ridge. So these trail cameras should be doing great if the batteries are still good. And batteries don't do too good when the cellular is covered up. There we go. Gotta have that undone. There are tons of deer traction. Check this out, guys. Oh, look at the trees above the ridge power shed. Black vulture. Black vulture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 black vultures right there. And you can see I've got a huge opening for my solar. Huge opening for my solar. My solar's all gonna be all across over there by the powerhouse. Let's get up here. I don't know if I'm staying on the road or not. I think I am. All right. Whew, let me clean you off there a little bit, guys. All right. Sorry about that. These are ramblings. Beautiful pines over that way. I got trail cams over there. I'll take you up on RidgeLife over there. See the old ridge barn and pond over there. Yeah, I don't know why all these vultures are up in the trees. Something might have died. Yep, black vultures. Take you up here to the foundation. There's the septic. Look like it's good. Foundation still there. All right, the canopy is still there, not falling down. That is a good sign. That's what I was worried about right there, was that third canopy. The shed roof, you know, it's designed to take it. Got the bucket over the wellhead, or the electrical portion. All right, let's look at that. Here's my holes. Still got 5 of them to do. There's the one I got done right there. And you can see, this is why I ain't got it done. Make sure I don't fall in one of these holes. Oh, goodness. All right, I'll set you up over here and I'll take care of this canopy. You can really see the splash up from the mud on the bottom of the shed there. Can't really see as much when there's not that much white snow around it. But once I get the gravel brought in all right here, I'll pressure wash off, get all that cleaned up. So let me set you up right here. There we are. Is that good? Can you see good there? Let me make sure. Yep, right there. All right, that should be good. I'll be right back. I'll get this one done. Ooh, if I don't fall in the hole, oh, I just tripped over the, the string. All right, don't want to break that. All right, has not collapsed on this side. And it has not collapsed on this side. So this quick tent is doing very, very well. Give me just a second, guys. Get this cleaned off. All right, here we go. Oh, got all over me, it's dripping. Oh, goodness gracious, great balls of fire. This thing, it couldn't have gone 5 more hours, I know that. It could not have gone 5 more hours. Gotta be proactive. Gotta be proactive with this stuff. Whew. Goodness gracious. I'll just leave that brush up here. I'll be doing it again later. I'm soaking wet. It was all dripping on me in there. Wow. Y'all like this emergency job on the ridge? All part of living off grid, living in the country. Boom. These are the forms. The forms for the rest of the solar footers. Oh my goodness. This is just amazing. I'm gonna give you one more panoramic view real quick. I try not to breathe. Yeah, not breathing is hard. I was trying to hold my breath. Walk around this field edge real quick. See if we can see any more deer tracks real quick. Let's see the back side of the property here. Just gorgeous. There's the well. I know there's gonna be some deer tracks right over here. They come out of these woods between the old ridge barn. That little draw right there. Yeah, I can see tons of tracks right over there. They're all covered up with snow, so they ain't been out too early this morning. They were out last night. Yep. Oh, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed today's emergency shed salvation. Had to be done. Had to be done. If I'd have waited 4 or 5 more hours, came out here till the snow was over with, they would have collapsed. You've seen what's happened on the 41.36, Country Road Cure, Simple After Claim over at Come On Mountain with DD5 and Come On Homesteading. They've all lost, I mean, Drew, Bobblehead, they've all lost canopies due to storms and snow and all that. Wow. Just amazing. I'm gonna walk you through here. Yeah, there's tons of deer track. Look at all the track. This is where that food plot is, guys. And this is just deer tracks that have been covered up by snow all through there. And if you look right through the trees, right there, that's the old ridge barn. I don't know if you can see it there. Very, very beautiful. So, guys, I love every single one of you. I'll get this video out to you today, and then I'll get all the trail camera and get out here on the 4-wheeler and get down in the hollows and the ravines and get that out to you probably by tomorrow. So love every single one of you. Until next time, hope everyone has a blessed day. Keep rambling and go Ridge Life. Woo!